So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to enhance an image here on a Keynote presentation. So you open up Keynote, you select your image, which I have right here, press in your image, then go to the top right, make sure that image is selected so it could default to style. Make sure that image is selected just like this. Then scroll down a little bit to where it says enhance. So if you press on enhance just like this, it then makes the image a little bit brighter. So for example, if we were to increase exposure and decrease saturation, if you also press on enhance, it'll keep your exact same alterations, but it'll enhance the photo even more than before. So maybe this is a bad example. We'll go like this. I'll press on enhance. All of a sudden, it just makes the photo a little bit more enhanced and a little bit more, I guess, eye-catching in this example. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to enhance an image here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.